Hello, I'm Frank Ventimiglia from Shooter's Choice Gun Care Products. For 27 years, our research and development team have worked to bring you a full line of firearms cleaning solvents, lubricants, and degreasers that even the most demanding competitive shooters have come to know and trust. Regardless of what type of firearms you own, Shooter's Choice has just the right products to clean, lubricate, and protect them. No one in the industry stands behind their products like Shooter's Choice. Our products are guaranteed to outperform the competition, or we will send you a full refund, no questions asked. As always, feel free to call us or send us an email. Our technical staff is there to answer all your gun care questions. Today, we're going to talk about Shooter's Choice FP-10. FP-10 is an incredible lubricant. It also cleans the bore and protects against rust and corrosion. FP-10 is a semi-synthetic that does not contain any solid lubricants, such as Teflon or PTFE. FP-10 contains a metal treatment additive, MT10. FP-10 dramatically increases lubricity between metal surfaces and moving parts, thus reducing frictional heat and wear. FP-10 has an operating temperature range of minus 49 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. In just a moment, I will show you our FP-10 demonstration. But first, let's talk a little bit about today's modern firearms. They are manufactured with tighter tolerances than most firearms from the past and are constructed from a variety of different metals and exotic alloys. Today's semi-automatic weapons have incredibly fast cycle rates, high operating temperatures, and a great deal of load stress on all moving parts. To prevent excessive wear and maintain reliability, the lubricant you use must have the ability to hold up to these extreme conditions. FP-10 will deliver the performance you expect from a Shooter's Choice gun care product. In today's shooting industry, there are many firearm lubricants to choose from. Other manufacturers make strong claims and use misleading advertising to sell their products, when in fact, they are using 40-year-old technology. Simply put, our competitors grossly exaggerate, suggest, and imply high performance rather than prove the worth of their products. Today we'll be demonstrating FP-10 side by side with 3 of the top-selling firearms lubricants. But first, let me explain to you our lubricity testing machine and how it will be used. This machine will allow us to see at what point a lubricant starts to break down or fail due to friction. We will be using a weight scale to see the downforce in pounds being applied to the arm, and an amp meter to measure the load placed on the motor. 1 additional pound of downforce on this arm is equal to 48 pounds of force on the bearing and test ring surface. We will be using a Phalex test bearing that has a Rockwell hardness of C42 and a Timken test ring with a Rockwell hardness of C56. After testing each product, I will degrease and resurface the test ring to remove the softer transferred metal. I will rotate the test bearing to a clean spot. To save time, this procedure will take place off camera. The lubricant for test number 1 contains Teflon and is made by a leading firearms manufacturer. The lubricant for test number 2 is a petroleum base and is made by an older company well known for their bore cleaner and firearms cleaning kits. The lubricant for test number 3 contains PTFE and is used by the military as a small arms lubricant. The lubricant for test number 1 contains Teflon and is made by a leading firearms manufacturer. We'll be applying the lubricant directly to the test ring. As you can see, there's plenty of lubricant on that test ring surface. That product broke down and failed right about 7 pounds. The test bearing has been rotated to a clean point, and our test ring has been resurfaced. I will now demonstrate the FP-10. FP-10 does not contain any solids, as I mentioned before, so it does not need to be shaken like some of the solid-based lubricants. Test product number 1 failed at about 7 pounds. We're at 15. We're at 20. We're at the bottom of the scale. As you can see, the amp meter is drawing very little load on the motor. The lubricant for test number 2 is a petroleum base and is made by an older company well known for their bore cleaner and firearms cleaning kits. Product failed right about 6 pounds. I'll now be continuing with test number 2 using the FP-10. The other product failed at about 7 pounds. There's 10. 15. 20.